I am here today at Pasari. Different products here. Some other people here told me that the price here is lesser than the other market here in Tirana, because they told me that this is the center. It's just like Bagsakan. Pasari. I will take a look there. If there is fish fresh, I will find fresh fish, because I need to buy again or to cook on the coming days. Oh my God. Close. I think it's there. No more. I will take a look again here. Here. Oh. No more inside. Ang sarap. Son lang, son. Hindi manamit. What is this? Oh. I just want to take a look. The gas also here. Oh, there's oven. Gas range. I thought some washing machine. Fast food director. My God. I will buy only ice cream. I will end my live. My video here. I will stop. I mean.
Because of early go out from work of FlexiGirl,
She's roaming around here. I just turning around just to visit her and took this video. I did not saw any fresh fish there. That's why I did not buy. I will go home. But first I will go to Taptani. It's sunny day today. I think it's early summer here. Because it's March. In the Philippines, it's really very hot there. Here, early in the morning, so very cold. This is the bus stop here. When I go to, when I going here, I go down there. Very nice flower. The basa. That is the basa. I will go there. I will buy ice cream. Big market. Later. There is also a fruit seller there near in my house. I will buy it there. So very busy. If you take a look, there are a lot of souvenirs here in Albania. A lot. Maybe I will buy soon if I have money. Yeah, it's very nice. It's souvenir item. This is the center in Tirana. All of the bus passing by it. Wherever they go, when they are going here, they will be going there, here, in this ways. I will cross the stoplight here, and then I will buy ice cream there. Oh my god, it's 11 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.